everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel Lovingly Me. So in this video I'm going to show you how I do stickers to stick on my Etsy orders. I made this the cheapest way that I can possibly do, and also this is not my typical content. I normally do crochet or knitting tutorial, but because I'm running low on my labels, the stickers, might as well I just make a quick tutorial on how I make this, and maybe it will benefit you. You can do the same way how I do. Okay, so I have two type of papers. This is the regular not waterproof. This is I use label sticker, and this one right here, this is waterproof. This is a vinyl sticker. So for the non-waterproof, this is going to be inside the package, and this is the shipping label that I use. This is less than $10 for 100 sheets. And for this one, this is waterproof, and I use vinyl sticker paper. This one right here, 30 sheets. I got this from Amazon, I believe around $12–13. So this is quite pricey comparing to the shipping label. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do this. Okay, you can, for the design, I design myself. You can of course design your own logo, and the website that I use for the template is Avery. Of course, probably you heard of this website before. I'm just going to zoom in. Oops, okay. Avery. So the template is right here. Okay, so you can design your own logo right here, but I design my logo from apps. I don't remember what's the app, but it's very basic, very simple logo. So you go to the template, oops, right here, templates, and click. Now once you click on the template, you'll see the shapes of label, and this is the one that I choose, round label. And the 2 inches for this one, the bigger one, I use this template right here. Okay, so you're just going to click on that, and you're going to start designing. Okay, so if you don't have your logo, you can use any one of this right here to create your logo. But if you have your own logo, you're going to upload a complete design. Okay, so you do that, and here you can drag or select file. So I'm just going to select my logo. I already have it right here, and open. Okay, so now my logo is here, and you're going to click that apply this design. Okay, so at this side right here, you'll have 12 stickers on a piece of paper. So now you're going to right there, preview and print. Okay, I actually already made this before, so I already have it saved in my laptop. So once you save, you can choose right there, print it yourself, which is cheaper, my personal choice, or let us print for you, where you upload your design and you pay the shipping and their service. Of course you have to pay extra for that. So I go print it yourself and get PDF to print, and you want to save your work. Okay, so now open PDF. Once you open the PDF, you're going to save in your laptop or computer. Save it right there. Oops, right there. But I already saved mine. So I'm going to press print. Okay, so for the 2 inches, I'm going to print using shipping label. And I'm just going to print one set. For the printing label sheet. Okay, so for the printing label, it's 2 pieces, as you can see right here, but not to worry about it, because for the shipping, the split is going to be right here. Okay, so of course you need a printer. I have my printer right there. Okay, sorry for the mess. And I'm going to print. I'm just going to print one piece. And this is how it looks like. As I mentioned, not to worry about the split at the middle right here, because there's a gap between the label. Okay, so now I'm going to print my 1 inch label. Okay, so now I'm going to print this one right here. This is the smaller label, and I'm going to use the vinyl sticker. Okay. Okay, so now what I do is I do the manual labor, where I'm going to cut all the label individually. Okay, if you want to do it yourself, you have to put in the hard work to cut each of the logo or sticker. If you want them to print it for you, you can do as well, but you have to pay extra for that. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out. I use 2 kind of scissors. This one right here, this is a school scissor, and this one. Okay, I've done this so many times, so it's pretty easy for me to cut a rounded label or logo. It's a lot of work to do to cut individually. If you send it to the Avery or someone to print it for you, probably they have a machine to cut out for you, but if you want to do it yourself, you can do it. It's cheaper, but you have to put in the labor. Okay, so I'm going to use the smaller scissor to cut it out. I've done this so many times, so my hands are kind of used to cut. You do not need to have a perfect circle, because I don't think the customer going to judge you on your label. They're going to judge you based on your product or the crochet or knitting stuff that you send out. Oops. It's not really that perfect, but it's fine. So probably it takes me about 10 seconds or less to cut one of this out. So when I do this, I normally watch something on YouTube or on TV or listening to my podcast. I mean, not my podcast, but someone else's podcast, crime podcast. There you go. Alright, so I have a few more to make, and this one right here is the hardest part because it's smaller. And I do recommend for you to use a waterproof sticker for the sticker that you want to put outside of the package, because you know, the transit of the package, probably it will rain. Okay, so for these 2 inches, I normally stick it to this one right here. I got this from Amazon. It is 100 pieces of handmade with love, especially for you. Okay, so I got this 2 inches, and I'm going to stick it at the center right here. So the thank you will be disappear, but it replace your logo. So this is how I do it. And there you go, like so. Kind of pretty. So every weekends I'm going to cut bunch of the stickers and stick it to this one right here. And for this smaller sticker, I normally put it at this this is a label that I'm going to ship it out on Monday. So what I normally do is, so of course the label is going to be outside of the package. It has to be waterproof, even though this is not waterproof, but I normally seal the barcode with tape, so in transit, just in case if it get wet, the delivery guy or the USPS person still able to scan the label. Okay, so this one I'm going to put it right there, so when my customer receive the package without opening it, they know that it's from me. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to link everything at the description down below. The label printer, label paper that I use, the vinyl sticker, and also this one right here at the description down below. Okay, so I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.